Recording.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Uh, by Georgia standards, it's a little cool. It's about 47, but sunny and nice. Just taking my usual ride for breakfast. Don't know where I'm going yet, but I'm going. And kind of nice in the mornings, have it a little lighter earlier. Of course, it'll be the opposite tonight, but I can deal with that. Uh, this is why we ride. Just do what we want, freedom. Get your mind straight. It's there's so much to see. I mean, colors don't really change in Florida, in Georgia here. A little bit here and there, but it's still just nice to get out. So hopefully, my friends up north, it hasn't turned too wicked on them yet. I know Bodine got the adventure bike. Hoping he gets out and maybe plays in the snow a little bit. I don't know. I rode once in the snow and I had a Goldwing, and I'm not for that. But good grief, I took a little jaunt over to the ocean, and kind of amazing the cotton fields, and, bales and bales and bales of cotton. All the fields I rode by that were blooming are picked, but now we'll wait till spring and see what new bloom comes up. Does anybody have any trips or plans or adventures they're going on this coming year? As 23 comes to a close, I uh, I haven't made any firm plans. I'm kind of spontaneous. When I decide to do it, I just do it. Works out well. I've never been disappointed. Kind of like I said before, if I'm in a car, it's the destination. If I'm on the motorcycle, it's the ride to get there. And that's the fun of it. Just you see so much more. You're a part of it. And it's at my age, it's not the thrill or the speed or so much leaning into the curves or whatever you want to do. It's the calming You know, you're alert enough on a bike, or you better be, that you see everything. You're a part of it. I was in a conversation the other night, and kind of funny. Judy Sheldon was saying she really loved Black Betty. That my electric line that I had built, and I was telling her, you know, this bike is the first one that I've really, when I walk away from it, turn around and look back at it. The colors, the lines, you know, it's just something. Pretty happy with it. Who knows what my next one will be? It's maybe here's a 22. Seems like I don't keep a bike more than 2 years at the most. This might be a record breaker for me. But we'll see. It's hard to say. I'll be coming up on a service pretty soon, and we'll just have to see what they have. My dealer's building a new building. Should be done in February. I've already talked to him about being the first sale in the new building. So golly, I don't know. Somebody talked me out of it. But anyway, I just I'm having fun with it. But what a beautiful day. I hope everybody's weekend is rewarding. But y'all have a good day. Stay safe. If you can ride. Uh, Kick back and make it your day.